it's me, Evan. So today we're going to build the Lego set, and that is car transporter. So this is ages 11 up. The set is 42098. So in the front over here we have a blue car, and over here we have the car transporter in red. So that's the front. So we can go to the back. So in the back over here we have the play features of the car, which can move just by a twist. And over here when we move it, the gear turns up and down. And over here it shows the car moving up over here to there. And we can see over here this thing flips over here to be an opening as the engine also moves. And this is a 2x1 set, so we can build like this or like this. So we're gonna open the set now. So here we have the instruction booklet and stickers. So we have here bag 2, small bag 3, bag of tires and little curvy pieces, another bag 2, a small bag 2, bag 3, another bag 3, another bag 3, another bag 3, another bag 3, small bag 2, bag 2, another 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 bag 2, bag 1, another bag 1, some more tires and loose pieces, bag 1, another bag 2, another bag 2, and last but least, some bag 3. So we're going to now build the set now. now we are done with the car transporter. So let's take let's see the details of it. So over here we have the headlights of the car, which can go up and down like that. And over here we have a bumper which is curved over here. And over here we can see the lights over here, front lights of the car. And these are the down piece of the car. They don't do anything, just for show. Okay. Over here we had an engine. We can go up and down, and it says over here V8. On the other side also it says V8. Oh, and also this goes up and down, and we can see the full engine over here. So over here we have the side mirrors, which is also turned sideways. And here's the door over here. So the door doesn't open. So the other way we have to open the door is just ruin the mirror of the car and opening like that, and you can get in like that. So just closing right down. So here we have the wheels over here, which can move like that very smoothly, like that. And over in the back we have the turning piece, which can move the car like this. See, I'm moving it. The front wheels are moving. The back don't move, they just stay like that. Over here is the rear lights over here, and they go up and down like that. They just rest there. They are loose like that. So that is for this video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.